Hi, I'm Rachel, the Messy Minimalist, and you're watching Declutter Your Life on Guru Hub. So today we're going to talk about how to avoid getting sidetracked when starting a new project. Now, a lot of you guys reached out with really similar struggles on this topic, but it was Stacy from Instagram who said something that really caught my attention. She commented that by the end of the day, lots of small projects got started, but nothing is finished. I'm like a squirrel seeing a shiny object. Yes, this is so common, and I definitely feel you on this one, and I even have a name for it. It's called the avalanche effect. And I have a name for it because I like giving names to things to justify the fact that the struggle is real. So the avalanche effect is essentially what you just complained about. It's when you go to start a project and then you realize that project can't be done until you do this other project, which can't be done until you do this other project, which only makes sense for you to do this other project, and pretty soon you find yourself naked in the bathroom checking yourself for some weird skin disease and you have no idea why. Okay, that might be a bit of an exaggeration, but still. Thankfully, I have a method to help you stay focused, and all you need is a pen, a piece of paper, and some common sense. Let's just say, for example, that you want to clean out your fridge. I would write down on my piece of paper, clean out the fridge. And then directly below it, write down everything that you're gonna need. Spray bottle, rag, cooler, ice, garbage can. Once you have that written down, you can literally grab your supplies and go straight to the fridge. And as soon as something pops up, for instance, you might realize once you've gotten your fridge totally emptied out that you could configure it differently. Great. That's the kind of thing that sounds like a lot of fun in the moment, not so good for staying focused. If you write down every single thing that pops up in your head while you're doing the task at hand, you'll find that you can blaze through the task and then look at your list later. Maybe you don't actually want to do half of those things. Either way, you will have gotten done the single most important thing, which in our case was cleaning out the fridge. And then you can reward yourself. You can then go do whatever it is that you want to do because now you can feel accomplished that you got it done. Hopefully now you understand how the avalanche effect can completely derail a project, but how a pen, a paper, and a little bit of common sense can keep you on task. You're watching Rachel, the Messy Minimalist, on Guru Hub. Don't forget, you can reach out to me on social media with your questions using #GuruHub for a chance to be featured in my next video.